What if I told you I learned how to invest? Without studying, without reading a bunch of boring books, and I'm literally just a teenager? Let me help you. Make sure to watch until the end, as I will go over investing by myself in a lazy way without studying. Advice by a teenager. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the idea of diving into the world of investing, you're not alone. Many teenagers think that investing requires hours of studying and complicated strategies. But what if I told you there's a simpler way? In this video, we'll explore some easy, laid-back methods to start investing without the stress of traditional learning. We'll cover topics like using apps that do the heavy lifting for you, understanding the basics of index funds, and even how to leverage social media for investment tips. The goal is to show you that investing doesn't have to be boring or complicated. Instead, it can be a fun and rewarding experience that fits into your lifestyle. So, whether you're looking to save for a new gadget or just want to grow your money, stick around. By the end of this video, you'll see that learning to invest can be as easy as scrolling through your favorite social media feed. Let's get started on this journey to financial freedom, the lazy way. Understanding the basics. Before we jump into the world of investing, let's break down some fundamental concepts in a way that's easy to grasp. First up, we have stocks. Think of stocks as tiny pieces of a company. When you buy a stock, you own a small part of that company. For example, if you buy a stock in a popular tech company, you're essentially owning a slice of their success. Next, let's talk about bonds. Bonds are like loans you give to companies or governments. When you buy a bond, you're lending them money, and in return, they promise to pay you back with interest. It's a bit like lending your friend some cash and asking for a little extra when they pay you back. Lastly, we have mutual funds. These are like baskets filled with various stocks and bonds. By investing in a mutual fund, you're spreading your money across different companies, which helps reduce risk. Understanding these basics is crucial before diving deeper into investing. Once you grasp these concepts, you'll feel more confident navigating the investment landscape. Using apps and online resources. In today's digital age, technology has made investing more accessible than ever, especially for those who prefer a laid-back approach. Popular investing apps like Robinhood and Acorns are game changers. Robinhood allows you to buy and sell stocks without paying commissions, making it easy to start investing with just a few taps on your phone. Acorns, on the other hand, helps you invest your spare change by rounding up your purchases and automatically investing the difference. This means you can grow your money without even thinking about it. But that's not all. There are countless online resources available to help you learn more about investing. YouTube channels and blogs dedicated to finance offer valuable insights and tips, often presented in a fun and engaging way. These platforms can help demystify investing concepts and provide real-life examples that resonate with you. Using these apps and online resources not only simplifies the investing process, but also makes lazy learning a breeze. You can absorb information at your own pace, all while managing your investments from the comfort of your couch. So why not take advantage of these tools and start your investing journey today? Learning from real-life examples. One of the best ways to understand investing is by looking at the journeys of successful investors like Warren Buffett and Elon Musk. Warren Buffett, often called the Oracle of Omaha, started investing at a young age and built his wealth through a strategy of buying undervalued companies and holding on to them for the long term. His approach teaches us the importance of patience and research, showing that you don't need to be a financial expert to succeed. Then there's Elon Musk, known for his innovative ventures like Tesla and SpaceX. Musk's willingness to take risks and invest in groundbreaking technologies can inspire lazy learners to think outside the box. His journey emphasizes that sometimes investing in what you believe in can lead to incredible returns. By observing the strategies of these influential figures, you can gain valuable insights without diving deep into textbooks. Plus, following them on social media platforms can provide ongoing learning opportunities. They often share their thoughts on market trends and personal experiences, making it easier for you to stay informed and inspired on your own investing journey. The power of community. Engaging with investing communities can significantly enhance your learning experience and make the journey more enjoyable. Joining online forums or social media groups focused on investing allows you to connect with like-minded individuals who share your interests. These communities are often filled with young investors eager to learn and share their experiences, making them a great resource for anyone looking to dive into investing. Platforms like Reddit and Discord have become popular spaces for young investors to connect. On Reddit, subreddits like RR Investing and R Stocks provide a wealth of information where members discuss strategies, share tips, and even post their investment successes and failures. Similarly, Discord channels offer real-time conversations and a sense of camaraderie among investors, making it easy to ask questions and get immediate feedback. By participating in these communities, you can learn from your peers, gain different perspectives, and even find mentorship opportunities. Sharing experiences not only helps you grow as an investor, but also fosters a supportive environment where everyone can thrive. So don't hesitate to dive into these communities and start building connections that can enhance your investing journey. Setting realistic goals. Having clear investment goals is crucial for anyone looking to navigate the investing landscape successfully. Before you start investing, take a moment to define what you want to achieve. Are you saving for a new car, a college fund, or perhaps a future home? Knowing your objectives will help you choose the right investment strategies and keep you focused on your journey. It's also important to embrace patience and long-term thinking in investing. Many successful investors understand that building wealth takes time. Instead of seeking quick gains, focus on steady growth and allow your investments to compound over the years. This mindset can help you weather market fluctuations and stay committed to your goals. To track your progress, consider setting milestones along the way. Use tools like investment apps or spreadsheets to monitor your portfolio's performance regularly. This will not only keep you accountable, but also allow you to adjust your strategies as needed. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. By setting realistic goals and tracking your progress, you'll be better equipped to achieve financial success in the long run. In conclusion, we've explored the world of lazy investing methods that make it easy for anyone to start building wealth without the stress of traditional study. We discussed how investing apps like Robinhood and Acorns simplify the process, allowing you to invest with just a few taps. We also highlighted the importance of understanding basic concepts like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, as well as learning from successful investors like Warren Buffett and Elon Musk. Engaging with investing communities on platforms like Reddit and Discord can provide valuable insights and support, while setting realistic goals helps keep you focused on your financial journey. Remember, patience and long-term thinking are key to successful investing. Now it's time for you to take action. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with your friends. Your support helps us create more content that empowers young investors like you. Don't forget to explore our channel for related videos that dive deeper into investing strategies and tips. Together, we can make investing accessible and enjoyable for everyone. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos from additional source income, money strategies, and much more. Check out my playlist and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.